Hello, and welcome to your Pathways to Excellence tour of the Chalkboard app. Please log in as instructed in the login in video. After you have downloaded all available content, click again on the top left button and select Modules. Now, in Modules, you will find the Introduction to Pathways to Excellence and 3 modules called School Culture, School Management, and Teaching and Learning, each containing 6 domains for school improvement. If you select Pathways to Excellence, P2E, you will find 2 options, Introduction and School Development Plan. Inside the Introduction folder, you can find a folder that teaches you how to use Pathways to Excellence. This should be the first thing you read. Choose the first session, Introduction, and from that point on, you can click on the next button on the bottom right of the page to read the introduction content. Once you have finished, click Complete to be sent back to the P2E main page. Now, we can return to modules and go through all 18 domains. Each domain has content for you to read that will inspire you with ideas for school improvement. When you click on a topic, you find 5 different folders. Self-assessment criteria, which contains a self-assessment quiz, action points, and 3 folders belonging to different levels. We discussed the self-assessment in another video, but for now, let's look at all the great additional content on Chalkboard. After self-assessment criteria, you have the folder named Action Points, where you can read the course's action points for each level, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and 3 to 4. After you have read the action points, you can start navigating through the levels, reading the content that is most relevant to you. Here, we will start by looking at level 1 to 2. As you start, click on your chosen action points to read all about it. Each session has a context. This tells you why we recommend that you implement the action points in your school. Next, you can read about how to do it in your school. We call this section What This Looks Like in Action. Finally, we provide suggested activities at the bottom of the session with further suggestions of who may be responsible for making sure these things happen at your school. This part will really help when you come to write your school development plan. Once you have finished reading, click on the purple Next button to go through all of them. After you finish a level, it will take you back to the course's main page, where you can start over with the next levels. You can do this with every course on each of the 3 modules.